them and the banana and so on. So want like big food to go in your soup, and I put up the plate in one Honey Bell kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe. Drink some my auntie did a good job. Pepper is good, the flavor is good. Hi everybody, good morning. Welcome back. Welcome back to One Honey Bell. I hope everybody's doing good. I'm doing good. I hope your family's doing well. I'm doing okay. My family's good. So this morning I'm here. It's weekend, and I do most of my cooking on weekends. So I'm gonna cook some callaloo, and for my family with saltfish, and some soft bananas, and a piece of yellow yam, and sweet potato. But I just want to show you, I get my callaloo. This is my callaloo. You cut it up like this. I get my callaloo, and I wash it and I soak it in water with salt and a little vinegar. I cut it up small like this, and then I put it in my pot over here. I wash it first, remember. I put it in my pot over here. And then I'm going to season it. So I'll show you how I season my callaloo and my saltfish. Okay, so I'm just showing you how I put it in my, I'm putting in my saltfish. Yes, so I wash my saltfish. This is my saltfish. I wash it, and I have my yam and my banana cooking over here with my sweet potato. So I just show you it's cooking. And what I do, I put my saltfish on top so that you can find it when it's cooked, and you can take it out and pick, pull it apart. And then I'm going to add it to my callaloo over here when it's seasoned. I don't want to put my saltfish right now because salt will produce a lot of water in my callaloo. And so I'm going to put it at the last. So as I go along with my breakfast this morning, I show you what's going on in One Honey Bell kitchen. Yeah, so remember to subscribe and like and hit the notification bell and follow us on Instagram. Bye. Later. My callaloo is cut and ready for the oil. I'm going to put some olive oil. This callaloo is going to be very healthy because if you look, I'm using a healthy oil as well. And I'm going to put in, this is tomato, this is sweet onion, the purple one. And it's the first I'm going to put the purple one, but I'm trying it out. It's, I heard about it and I did some research, and it's good for you, and it, helps to season your vegetable really nice. Also, I'm putting some scallion, some bell pepper, tomato, and I'm going to put a little piece of thyme and a little bit of smart balanced butter. So that's it. This really looks colorful and pretty. Really nice. So this is my thyme. I put some thyme a while ago, and then this is not a little piece of smart balanced butter. No advertisement there. It's just that I like it because there's trans fat, no saturated fat, and help with cholesterol. So this is a weight loss diet food. You can have this alone. This with some bananas, green bananas. This with whatever you want to have it with. A side dish with your meat. It's healthy all around. So let's get healthy this year, 2020. Subscribe and like and follow our videos. Thank you. Yes, so I'm going to take out my saltfish. This saltfish is not so salt, but you have some saltfish is very salt. That's why I was able to cook it with my food. You have other saltfish that you have to like boil separate by itself, and then maybe you could add it to here. Boil it out like 2-3 times. You boil out the salt, especially if you have high blood pressure, you know. But this saltfish, I was able to boil it same time with the food because I told you it's not that salty. So you have to know which one you're choosing. If you see the salt on it already, you know you have to boil it out maybe 2-3 times before you can add it to this. Or just boil it separate and then add it to your callaloo. So I'm gonna take out. So I told you I cook sweet potato. So my potato is kind of getting soft, so I have to take it out. That's my sweet potato. And this is how I cook my banana. I think I showed you guys already. I cook it in the skin, and this is how it come off and looks pretty. I just take off the skin like this, and then I have my banana. It's so soft. It's gonna be nice with the color. Look, it's very soft. So this is how I take off my banana. So I'll show you later what's going on in one honey bell kitchen. So when you take out the saltfish, you put some water to cool it. So you can take off the skin. I'm going to take off this part, you know, the dark part of it. That's the scale or the skin with a fork. And then I'm going to add it to my callaloo. So you see. So make sure you debone your saltfish, taking out all of the bones, and like bone like this, because especially if you have small children, you don't want them to have this will stick up their throat or something. So make sure you take out all the bones, you know, look for the small pieces of bones, and then I would suggest that you wash your saltfish again because you don't want a salty callaloo. So sometimes I do wash it again and then add it to my callaloo. Here's another bone hiding. You have to look careful for these little bones, you know, and make sure your family is safe. Okay. Okay, so I'm adding my saltfish now to my callaloo. So I add my saltfish and I rinse it off again. Rinse it after I debone it because, you know, be on the safe side, because I want my callaloo to be healthy and nice. And you know, this is a new decade. Let's try and eat healthy. You turn it down when you're steaming it. You know, you put it on a low flame. I want my callaloo to be, you know, we should try for, as I was saying, this decade is 2020. We should try to be healthy, not only you but me, you know. Let's try to be healthy this year and for the decade. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like and hit the notification bell that you don't miss one of our videos. Bye. This is my weekend breakfast. If you look good, you see the steam coming out. Can't wait to eat this. And I hope you try to make this for your family. It's very healthy, very good for you. So, you know, subscribe to One Honey Bell. And let's cook and see what I cook. Okay? Bye. Mwah.